Hello students, in the last lecture we have studied about to calculate the potential difference between any two terminals of a circuit, or we can say that we have to calculate the potential difference between the 2 points of a part of a circuit. Let this is any point A, this is a resistor of resistance 2 ohm, this is a cell of EMF 2 volt, and this is also a resistor of resistance 3 ohm, and this is a cell of 8 volt. Then we have to calculate the potential difference between the points A and B. देखो बच्चों, हमने डिस्कशन में बताया था कि इसमें से जो करंट है वो हमने माना था 3 एम्पियर के बराबर करंट फ्लो करता है. नाउ 2 ohm and 3 ohm both are in series, therefore the current 3 ampere will be flowing through 3 ohm resistor and so on. बच्चों यहाँ हमने बताया था कि हमने सपोज किया था कि एट दिस पॉइंट लेट द पोटेंशियल इज VA. नाउ दिस इज द पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल and this is the negative terminal. The potential drop across 2 ohm resistor will be 6 volt. This is positive and this is negative. This will be positive and this will be negative, and the direction of current will be from A to B because the current is flowing from higher potential to lower potential. Therefore here the potential will be 9 volt, and this is negative and this is positive. Now start from here. At this point the potential is VA, and at this point the potential will be VA minus 6 volt. बेटा क्लियर है? Because we are moving from positive terminal to negative terminal, that is from higher potential to lower potential. Now at this point the potential will be VA minus 6 minus 2, because at this point the potential is VA minus 6 and we move from positive terminal to negative, that is we can say that from higher potential to lower potential. Therefore we subtract it. Now again at this point बेटा बोलो कितना होगा आपके पास? The value becomes VA minus 6 minus 2 plus or minus 9, and at this point we move from lower potential to higher, and when we move from lower potential to higher potential then we add, that is VA minus 6 minus 2 minus 9 plus 8, and this will becomes equal to VB. This will becomes equal to VB. Now minus 2 minus 6 minus 8, therefore we get VA minus 9 equals VB, and the potential difference will becomes equal to 9 volt. बेटा इसमें कोई डाउट हो? नेक्स्ट अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं EMF ऑफ ए सेल, इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ए सेल एंड टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल. ये हमने डिस्कस इसलिए किया बिकॉज वी यूज दिस, इसका हम यूज करेंगे इसलिए हमने इसके बारे में डिस्कस किया है. आगे देखो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आता है EMF, इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस एंड टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल ऑफ ए सेल. हमने पीछे डिस्कस किया था कि व्हाट इज ए बैटरी. बैटरी इज द सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. हमने डिस्कस किया, वी हैव डिस्कस दैट बैटरी इज ए सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. लेट इट इज कनेक्टेड to this resistor, or we can say that it is connected to this conductor. This is the negative terminal and this is the positive terminal. Let at this point the potential is 0 volt, and at this point the potential is V volt. At this point the potential will also be V volt, and at this point the potential will be 0. That is we can say that across this conductor the potential difference will be equal to V minus 0. Now we suppose that an electron is moving from the cell. Now the positron at this point have energy 0 and at this point have energy eV. When at this point the energy is 0, therefore at this point the energy will also be 0. Therefore we can say that the whole energy will consumed across this conductor. Now the positron moves towards to the battery. It takes energy and it supply to the conductor, and this phenomena will continue. Now we can say that the positrons or electrons act as the charge carriers, and this is the source of energy. That is, the charge carrier takes energy from the battery and supply to the conductor. Continue. Now देखो, this is the lower potential and this is the higher potential. बेटा ये lower potential है और ये क्या है, higher potential है, and the electric field is acting in this direction. Now let a charge of 1 coulomb is moving from lower potential to higher potential. एक कूलम चार्ज है, उसको मूव किया फ्रॉम लोअर पोटेंशियल टू हायर पोटेंशियल, एंड व्हेन वी मूव फ्रॉम लोअर पोटेंशियल टू हायर पोटेंशियल देन वी हैव टू डन सम वर्क, and that work done is known as the EMF of the cell. हम सपोज करते हैं कि इसको जब लोअर पोटेंशियल से एंड हायर पोटेंशियल मूव करना है तो वी सप्लाई सम एनर्जी इन द अपोजिट डायरेक्शन, दैट इज वी अप्लाई सम एक्सटर्नल फोर्स, एंड द वर्क डन बाय द एक्सटर्नल फोर्स इन मूविंग a unit positive charge from lower potential to the higher potential is known as the EMF of the cell. That is known as the EMF of the cell. उसको जो हमने नाम दिया वो हमने नाम दिया EMF of cell के बराबर होगा. बेटा इसमें कोई डाउट हो? दोबारा देखो, इसको हमने बताया था, बैटरी के बारे में बताया था. Battery stores the energy. At this point the potential is 0. This is V. Therefore at this point the potential will be 0. At this point the energy will be 0, and at this point the energy will be EV. The total energy will supply to the conductor, and the positron or electron have 0 energy. Now it will comes to the cell and takes the energy and supply the energy to the conductor. This phenomena will continue. That is, we can say that electrons act as the charge carriers and they will take the energy from the cell and supply to the conductor. Now this is negative terminal and this is a positive terminal of the cell. This is at lower potential and this is at a higher potential. When a charge is moved from lower potential to higher potential, then we have to done some work, and that amount of work done is act as the EMF of the cell. Now let this is a unit positive charge. EMF है, उसकी यूनिट हमारे पास क्या होंगी, यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज लिया है, देयरफॉर W इज इक्वल टू यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज इनटू पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, देयरफॉर वी गेट द यूनिट ऑफ पोटेंशियल एंड द EMF हैज द यूनिट ऑफ पोटेंशियल, और वी कैन से दैट यूनिट इज वोल्ट, इट्स इन यूनिट इज वोल्ट. नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि जब हमारे पास कोई भी सेल ली, व्हेन इट इज नॉट इन वर्किंग, when it is not in working, that is, this is a register of resistance R and this is the key. Now key is open, key is open, then the potential difference between its terminals is known as the EMF of the cell. That is, we can say that when current flowing is 0, no current is flowing through the cell, then the potential difference between its electrodes is known as the EMF of the cell. That is known as the EMF of the cell. यहाँ तक EMF में बच्चों कोई डाउट है तो दोबारा बताएं. Next we discuss about the internal resistance. What is the internal resistance? देखो बच्चों, internal resistance of a cell, it is represented by small r. It is the resistance offered by the cell itself internally, that is known as the internal resistance. That is, हम कहेंगे कि ये मेरे पास कोई भी सेल है, इस सेल में कुछ हमारे पास इंटरनली एनर्जी का लॉस होगा, एंड जब इंटरनली एनर्जी का लॉस होगा, दैट इज इट विल अपोज द फ्लो ऑफ करंट. देयरफॉर दैट रेजिस्टेंस which is offered by the cell itself is known as the internal resistance of the cell. Next हम आते हैं terminal potential. What is the terminal potential and it is represented by V. देखो बच्चों, हमने डिस्कस किया, this is a cell, its internal resistance is R. Now द इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ए सेल है वो सेल के अंदर होता है, और जब सेल के अंदर होता है तो हम कहेंगे कि भाई इसको अंदर बनाएं या बाहर बनाएं. यहाँ भी बना सकते हैं, बट वी रिप्रेजेंट इट ऑन दिस साइड और दिस साइड. किसी भी साइड में आप रिप्रेजेंट करोगे तो वो हमारे पास क्या होगा कि इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द सेल होगा. दिस इज ए सेल ऑफ EMF E ऑफ इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस R. इट इज कनेक्टेड through an external resistor of resistance capital R and through a key K. I suppose that the key is open. This is a voltmeter. We suppose that the key is open. और बेटा जब की ओपन होगी तो क्या इसमें से करंट फ्लो करेगा? No amount of current will be flowing through the cell. That is, the voltmeter reads equal to EMF of the cell. We can say that reading of voltmeter will be equal to EMF of the cell. The reading of voltmeter will be equal to EMF of the cell. Now next I consider the key is closed. When the key is closed, then the current I will be flowing through it. The current I will be flowing through it. Now the current flowing through the circuit will be I equals to E upon R plus R. Why? देखो, this R and this R both are in series. Therefore we can say that total resistance of the circuit becomes R plus R, and the current flowing will be given as I is equal to EMF upon total resistance. This will be the current flowing through the cell. Now this will be the current flowing through the cell. Now आगे देखो, आगे हमने सपोज किया, दो तरीके से करेंगे इसको. फर्स्ट मेथड देखो, let at this point the potential is 0 and at this point the potential is V. इस पार्ट में चलो, इस पार्ट में जाएंगे, बोलो बेटा करंट कितना है I. दिस इज पॉजिटिव एंड दिस इज नेगेटिव, दिस इज नेगेटिव एंड दिस इज पॉजिटिव. स्टार्ट करो फ्रॉम पॉइंट दिस, इस पॉइंट पे पोटेंशियल जीरो, देन वी कैन से दैट इस पॉइंट पे पोटेंशियल जीरो, इस पॉइंट पे पोटेंशियल वी मूव फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव and the potential drop across R will be IR, 0 minus IR, and at this point from lower potential to higher potential plus E is equal to V, the potential at point this, suppose this is point A and this is point B. We take a part of the circuit. नाउ द पोटेंशियल एट ए, हमने पीछे डिस्कस किया कि किसी भी पॉइंट पे, किसी सर्किट में किसी भी पॉइंट पे बेटा हम पोटेंशियल कितना कंसीडर कर सकते हैं, जीरो. देयरफॉर एट पॉइंट ए वी कंसीडर द पोटेंशियल इज जीरो एंड एट पॉइंट बी वी कंसीडर द पोटेंशियल इज वी. वी कंसीडर द पोटेंशियल इज V. Now start from the point A to B. At point A the potential is 0, from higher potential to lower potential, therefore the potential will be 0 minus IR, and at this point the potential will be 0 minus IR plus E, and that will be equal to the potential at the point B because there is no any resistor. Therefore we can say that V is equal to E minus IR. This will be the reading of this voltmeter, and this potential is known as the terminal potential of the cell. When the cell is working, then the potential difference across its terminals is known as the terminal potential. Now IR is the internal loss of the cell. IR is the internal loss of the cell, and the value of IR can never be equal to 0, but it can be minimized. IR never be equal to 0, but it can be minimized. That is, we can say that we have no any ideal cell. We have no any ideal cell whose internal resistance is 0. Whose internal resistance is 0. बेटा यहाँ तक कोई डाउट हो बोलो. IR can never be equal to 0. IR is known as the internal loss, and resistance of a cell can never be 0. That is, we have no any ideal cell whose internal resistance is 0, but the internal loss can be minimized. It can be minimized. Now आगे देखो बच्चों, the value of EMF of the cell है, it is independent on the current, because EMF हमारे पास क्या था, EMF हमारे पास वो था कि मैक्सिमम टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल व्हेन नो करंट इज फ्लोइंग, और जब हमारे पास कोई भी करंट फ्लो नहीं करेगा देन जो पोटेंशियल है दैट इज नोन एज द EMF. देयरफॉर E डज नॉट डिपेंड्स ऑन I. द वैल्यू ऑफ E डज नॉट डिपेंड्स ऑन I. और जब वैल्यू ऑफ E डिपेंड नहीं करेगी वैल्यू ऑफ I पे, then we can say that the graph between E and I will be a straight line, or we can say that E and capital R will be a straight line. This is the resistance and this is the EMF, and this will be a straight line. When E does not depends on I, then it will also independent on R. E also independent on R. E R पे भी डिपेंड नहीं करेगा because the circuit is not in working. ओपन सर्किट था तो उसमें कितना भी रेजिस्टेंस लगाओ आप R के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करेगा. देन अगर वेरिएशन आती है हमारे पास, इफ वी हैव वेरिएशन ऑफ E विद R, then it will be a straight line. It will be a straight line E does not depends on I, hence does not depends on R. Next, V depends on I. V depends on I. The value of V will be depends on I. Therefore, variation of V with R. We have to calculate the variation of V with R. Now देखो बेटा, V is equal to E minus IR. This is the relation between terminal potential, EMF and internal resistance of a cell. Now, by Ohm's law, V equals to IR, that is, we can say that this is the resistor of resistance R and this is the cell of internal resistance R and this is the key. Current I is flowing, therefore we can say that the potential drop across R equals to IR. Now I equals to V upon R, और बच्चों देखो V equals to E माइनस V अपॉन R इंटू R के बराबर होगा। बच्चों हमें वेरिएशन कैलकुलेट करनी है V विद कैपिटल R। बेटा इसको इस साइड में लेके आओ, V प्लस V अपॉन R इंटू R इक्वल्स E, V इंटू 1 प्लस R अपॉन R equals E and V becomes equals to E upon 1 plus R upon R. The value of V becomes equal to this. Now let suppose that internal resistance of the cell is 1. Take the value of R as 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. First we take the value of R equals to 0, then V equals E upon 1 plus 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 infinite, E upon 1 plus infinite, and 1 plus infinity E upon infinity, and 1 upon infinity is always equals to 0. The value of potential will be 0 when the external resistor is of 0 ohm. Now we take R is equal to 1, then V equals E upon 1 plus 1 upon 1, and this equals to E upon 2. If we take R equals to 2, V equals to E upon 1 plus 1 upon 2, and 1 plus 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2, E upon 3 upon 2. This is value 0.5 E and this is value 0.06 E. Now next we take R equals to 3, then value of V becomes E upon 1 plus 1 upon 3, and this is equal to E upon 4 upon 3, and this becomes equal to 3 upon 4 of E, and this is equal to 0.75 of E. लास्ट बेटा लेते हैं कि if we take R as infinite, V equals to E upon 1 plus 1 upon infinity, and 1 upon infinity 0. Therefore we can say that E upon 1 plus 0, and it becomes equal to E. From here we see when we increase the value of R, then value of V will also increases and maximum value becomes equal to E. It not increases linearly, and if we draw the variation of V versus R, then the graph will be of this type. It will increases continuously, and when R becomes infinity, then V becomes equal to E. In that case V becomes equal to E. This is the variation of V with R. This is the variation of V with R. ये हमारे पास जो वेरिएशन आई है वो किसके साथ आई है? V की वेरिएशन आई है, और किसके साथ आई हमारे पास? R के साथ वेरिएशन आई है. दिस इज द वेरिएशन ऑफ V विद R. बच्चों इसमें कोई डाउट? दोबारा देखो इसको. हमारे पास पहले मैंने बताया कि E इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑन I बिकॉज द सर्किट वाज open and when no current is flowing, therefore no potential will drop across R, therefore E is also independent on R. And if we draw a graph between E and R, then the graph will be a straight line as shown. Now next we discuss about variation of V with R. From here, when the key is closed, then the current I is flowing through the circuit and the potential drop will be IR. As we know, the relation between V, E and R is V equals E minus IR. V equals IR. Now we get I is equal to V upon R. Put the value of I and we get V equals to this. We suppose that internal resistance is 1 ohm. We can take 2, 3, 4 and so on, anyone, but I consider here internal resistance is 1 ohm and we can take the value of external resistor as 0 to infinity. First I take 0, 1, 2 and infinite. At infinity V becomes equal to E. It will vary as this. As R increases, then V will also increase. The terminal potential will also increases. Now next आता है बेटा हमारे पास वेरिएशन ऑफ V with I आता है. What will be the variation of V with I? देखो बच्चों, यहाँ से देखो V equals to E minus IR और I can write V equals minus IR plus E. Compare it with the linear equation y equals to mx plus c. M is the slope. We have to, the graph will be a straight line if y की वेरिएशन किसके साथ है, x के साथ. Here we have to calculate the variation of v with I. कंपेयर करो. If we compare, then we get slope equals to minus r. We get slope equals to minus r. Therefore the graph will be of this type with negative slope. This is v and this is I, and the slope of this graph is minus r. The slope will be minus r. This is the variation of V with I. We have calculated three types of variation: E with R, E with R. और बेटा E with R हमने डिस्कस किया. It will be a straight line, and V with R, V with capital R. As we increase the value of R, then the terminal potential will also increases till V becomes equal to E. And if we compare, if we draw the graph between V and I, then we compare this equation by the equation of a straight line. We get slope is equal to minus R, and when the slope is negative, then the graph will be of this टाइप. बेटा यहाँ तक कोई इस डिस्कशन में कोई डाउट हो? आगे हम इसका यूज करेंगे. आगे देखो, आगे हमने देखा कि ये हमारे पास दिस वाज द सेल विद इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस R एंड दिस is an external resistor of resistance capital R, and when the key is open then no current will be flowing, and when the current key is connected then the current will be flowing. इस प्रोसेस में सेल है उसकी चार्जिंग हो रही है या डिस्चार्जिंग हो रही है. इन दिस प्रोसेस द सेल विल बी डिस्चार्ज. In this process the cell will be discharged, and when the cell will be discharged, then we get V equals to E minus IR. That is, terminal potential is always less than the EMF of the cell, less than the EMF of the cell. Now we discuss about charging of a cell. We discuss about charging of a cell. सेल है उसकी चार्जिंग आप कैसे करोगे? हाउ ए सेल कैन बी चार्ज, हाउ ए सेल कैन बी चार्ज। कोई भी सेल है उसकी चार्जिंग आप कैसे करोगे? When we charge a cell, then we use a bigger battery. Let this is a cell of EMF E and internal resistance R. We charge it through a bigger cell of EMF E dash as shown. This is a bigger cell of EMF E dash through an external resistor of resistance capital R, through an external resistor of resistance capital R। बेटा आप इस साइड में भी यूज कर सकते हो कैपिटल R को, इस साइड में भी यूज कर सकते हो। नाउ देखो बच्चों, ये सेल है, ये तो हमें क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में करंट को फ्लो करवाएगी, बट ये सेल है ये किधर फ्लो करवाएगी? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में। और बोलो बेटा करंट ज़्यादा कौन सी सेल का होगा? बड़ी सेल का, ई डैश का, और इसका कम होगा। देयरफॉर हम कहेंगे दिस इज द डोमिनेंट सेल। एंड जब ये डोमिनेंट सेल होगी देन द करंट विल बी फ्लोइंग एज इन दिस डायरेक्शन। द करंट आई विल चार्ज दिस सेल, द करंट आई विल चार्ज दिस सेल। लेट at this point the potential is 0 and at this point the potential is V. Now start from A to B. This is positive terminal, this is negative। और बोलो बच्चों ये पॉजिटिव होगा और ये क्या होगा? नेगेटिव। इसके अक्रॉस जो पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप होगा वो बोलो बच्चों कितना होगा? आई आर के बराबर होगा। बेटा आई आर ही होगा। नाउ फ्रॉम ए टू बी, यहाँ पे पोटेंशियल देखो बच्चों V, और बेटा यहाँ कितना पोटेंशियल होगा? V माइनस ई। भाई फ्रॉम हायर पोटेंशियल टू लोअर पोटेंशियल जाएंगे, देन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट V माइनस ई। और बच्चों यहाँ कितना होगा भाई? V माइनस ई माइनस आई आर, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 0। दोबारा देखो इसको, यहाँ पे देखो बेटा यहाँ पे हमने कितना माना? V, this is connected through a wire, therefore at any this point the potential will be V. We move from higher potential to lower, therefore at this point the potential will be V minus E. Now again we move from higher potential to lower potential, therefore minus ER, and this point is connected directly through the point B, and we take potential at A equals to 0 V, and potential at point B equals to 0, therefore we get E minus IR equals to 0, and we get E plus IR। टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल है ये हमारे पास क्या वैल्यू आई? E plus IR, that is during charging the terminal potential becomes greater than the EMF of the cell, but during discharging the terminal potential is always less than the EMF of the cell। During charging the terminal potential becomes greater than the EMF of the cell, and during discharging it becomes less than the EMF of the cell। This is about charging and discharging, this is about charging and discharging। बच्चों इसमें कोई डाउट? यहाँ तक कोई डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हो आप। आगे देखो, ये तो हमने बताया चार्जिंग एंड डिस्चार्जिंग। नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट ए क्वेश्चन। देखो बच्चों क्या क्वेश्चन दिया है, इसका एक न्यूमेरिकल करते हैं। ए वोल्टमीटर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस 995 ओम is connected across a cell of EMF 3 volt and internal resistance 5 ohm. Find the potential difference across the voltmeter that across the terminals of the cell एंड दैट अक्रॉस द टर्मिनल्स ऑफ द सेल। देखो बच्चों, एक वोल्ट मीटर है वो हमारे पास क्या होता है आगे डिस्कस करेंगे, थोड़ा सा बताता हूं मैं इसमें। व्हाट इज ए वोल्ट मीटर? वोल्ट मीटर इज ए डिवाइस which is used to measure the potential difference, which is used to measure the potential difference, and voltmeter have high resistance. An ideal voltmeter have infinite resistance, but generally we take any voltmeter have a very high resistance. क्वेश्चन क्या बताया इसने, न्यूमेरिकल बताया है a voltmeter of resistance 995 ohm, this is a voltmeter and its resistance is 995 ohm. It is connected across a cell of 3 volt. This is a cell. This cell is of 3 volt and its internal resistance is 5 ohm. And a voltmeter, this voltmeter is connected across the cell as shown. Then across the cell as shown, then find the potential difference across the voltmeter and across the terminals of the cell. That is, we calculate the potential difference across this रजिस्टर। देखो यहाँ से हमने क्या बताया, ये वोल्ट मीटर है, वोल्ट मीटर का रेजिस्टेंस है, इस डायग्राम को मैं ये भी कह सकता हूँ, दिस इज ए रजिस्टर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस 995 ओम एंड दिस इज ए सेल ऑफ पोटेंशियल 3 वोल्ट एंड दिस इज द इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द सेल। बोलो बच्चों, बेटा ये दोनों सीरीज में होंगे, और जब दोनों सीरीज में होंगे then we can say that the current flowing will be equal to I equals to E upon total resistance 3 upon 995 plus 5, that is हमने कह दिया 3 upon 1000, और this becomes equal to 3 into 10 raised power minus 3 ampere, और we can say that the current flowing will be 3 milliampere के बराबर होगा। now क्या कहता है, पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप अक्रॉस दिस वोल्ट मीटर एंड टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट V इक्वल्स टू I इंटू आर, V इक्वल्स टू I इंटू आर, देयरफॉर टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल बिकम्स इक्वल टू 3 इंटू 10 रेज्ड पावर माइनस 3 इंटू 995 वोल्ट के बराबर होगा, एंड V इक्वल्स टू into 10 raised to power minus 3 volt and V equals to 2.985 वोल्ट के बराबर होगा। दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल विच इज ड्रॉप्ड अक्रॉस द वोल्ट मीटर। नाउ द टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ऑफ द सेल एंड वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट V इक्वल्स टू E माइनस आई आर। भाई हमने कैलकुलेट किया टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल इक्वल्स टू V इक्वल्स टू E माइनस आई आर एंड वी कैलकुलेट 3 माइनस 3 इंटू 10 रेज्ड पावर माइनस 3 इंटू 5, दैट इज 3 माइनस 15 इंटू 10 रेज्ड पावर माइनस 3 एंड V इक्वल्स टू 3 माइनस 0.015 and this is also becomes equal to 2985 volt. That is, we can say that the terminal potential equals to the potential drop across this resistor। और हमने भी यूज किया V इक्वल्स टू आई आर। दोनों मेथड से हमारे पास क्या आया, सेम आया। एक वोल्ट मीटर दे रखा था, उसका रेजिस्टेंस 995 ओम दे रखा था, उसके बाद इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस 5 ओम, ये रजिस्टर हो गया। नाउ दोनों के दोनों कैसे कॉम्बिनेशन बेटा, सीरीज में। आई की वैल्यू आई 3 इंटू 10 रेज़्ड पावर माइनस 3 एम्पियर। नाउ आई कैन बी रिटन एज 3 मिली एम्पियर। नाउ क्या कैलकुलेट करना अपन को, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप अक्रॉस दिस आर। and this R V equals to IR, we get V equals to this 2.985 volt and also calculate the terminal potential of the cell. हमने पीछे कैलकुलेट किया V equals to E minus IR. This is the value of terminal potential of the cell. Therefore terminal potential becomes equal to 2.985 volt.